Hi friends, this video shows how to upgrade this TV to Android TV OS version 14. First go to settings, set all settings from top right corner, go to system, under system go to about. Under about here you can see the current version of Android TV OS, it says 12. I am going to upgrade this to 14. Under about set system update. Now it's checking for update, please wait. It says system update ready. It's already downloaded and verified system update. Size of the system update is 809 MB. Here you can see it says this software update includes upgrade Android TV version from 12 to 14. Here we just need to select restart now button. That way we can install this update and upgrade from Android TV OS version 12 to 14. If your TV company has released Android TV OS version 14 upgrade, then you would be able to see similar message. If you are not seeing this message, that means your TV company is not released Android TV OS version 14 upgrade for your TV model. Hence you have to wait. This way we can check for Android TV OS version 14 upgrade and install it. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.